Good morning, Monday again. Sun comes round, doesn't it? Carl and Jamie are just loading up here. Cladded gate they were doing last week. Stuffing it up now, it's heavy. And then hopefully, it's forecast bad weather, hopefully tomorrow finish the great roof of Idle. But it's already not a decent, looking at a decent sort of space in here. Pretty good. And then I'll be setting off soon. I've got a job to see in the Sheffield, I believe it is. That'll probably take me an hour over there, so I'll set off. So yeah, busy day, and we'll get some footage on us way. So I've just landed over at Sheffield. See a job here, it's like a motor company that's getting like plush to cladded all this building. Looks lovely actually. I think they're after some 358. Nice in here, some nice motors. Just moving them all over from another place, has just been saying. Just doing it all out, built all these offices. But yeah, nice. A bad little job this, sort of all the way around 2 units. Measure it now, this is next door. Along this wall inside here, 2 metre high prism mesh. Then they're going to have gates there, 10 metres, and then this is the one that I'm working for, essentially. Is all the way around up to them up there, measuring separately. Which is what I'm going to do now, so he knows how much next door will be. But theirs won't be as much as theirs, because they're having a lot more. So next door is 45, just half of the gates. Just measured front of this, and turn it around. Sort of come down there, which is obviously down the slope, but I think that it being back of this wall, hopefully get away with it in full panels and have to be halves. It probably looks worse on that bit, but won't be too bad. And then this one up here, we'll go to here, and then there's a concrete plinth there. It's got to go up to that palisade up there. 175 metres in total. Next door is over 45 metres. And that includes the gate, and the gates are 10 metres wide. Crikey, it's bad today, absolutely. Hammering it down. The new roof will be all getting wet, and we haven't got his rubber on yet. I'm just going on a rescue mission now. Carl and Jamie are on a job down near Court Farm between Tackley and Shipley, doing some cladded gates, and they need the tech screws. They've got the tech screws, but they haven't got the fitting. Put them in.
Me and Jamie are just down in Court Farm at a job we did a year ago. Fit that gate there and that infill. And then we came back and did that fence in there, which still looks brand new, doesn't it, Jamie? This is what we're replacing now, with some double leaf composite cladded steel gates. I'm going to open inward. So we'll get these out and get cracking.
So this is job Carl and Jamie's been doing. Some nice cladded gates that they've got done, and put drop bolts in floor. And it's a bit muddy here, we need some more of them stones. Nice little when they're open, which will only be open occasionally. It's got the quality bog locks, both sides. And I'll get a clip in a minute of them closed. Very wet at the minute. Job well done. Good morning. Carl and Jamie are going to carry on with roof today. It's supposed to be dry, thank God. Awful downpour yesterday. I've just playing fire. Kettle on. Lads should be here in a minute. In fact, I think I can see some headlights now on cameras. Baggy and Ben are going over to floor gas in Leeds. Got a bolt down gate and a couple of bolt down sections of fencing to do. Which a couple of hours, that's all. Some bits and bobs in the yard, we're getting this roof sorted. The bats have felt it. Just adding a few bits on the end. Just been some more boards as well. More or less done. I don't know how well you can see on top of the roof there, but it's done for now. I mean, we've got to trim sides and everything and put gutters on and all that yet, but it's kind of watertight and it's made it a decent space. We've even put that level now so the door shuts. So we've got a lock on now on there. Obviously we've got to trim this shit and what have you. But look, great storage for fork truck. Out weather. Diggers out way. Sound. And then, well, we're going to carry on. What we're going to do, I don't know. You can see from there is down there into corner here, move all those things, take this down. So we've got loads of storage, and then we're going to get shelves all around here. Probably going to concrete this bit here as well. So yeah, it's quite a bit to do, but it's great storage. We're not going to do out, you know, we're not going to put a shutter on or all like that. Probably just leave this open. We are going to move that. So we'll have to reconfigure his gutter so it goes that way. We're going to move that over to that corner, move a skip up just a foot. That should go in. I mean, we might end up putting something there, like one of them curtains or something, but no secure really. It's we'll have out in there that can be nicked basically. We were going to have steel rack down there, I thought of that, but I think we're still going to have it in there. So when it gets delivered, and get straight in there, that'll rain. And then obviously we're still on with this, but we've got to put gutter and all that. We've left the gap here, so we're going to move them IBCs from out corner to there. Obviously, I can see it's working already. Look, rain's dripping down. And then all this guttering, all this water is going to collect there off of both roofs onto there. And we can have a few there. And then I think we've done a deal to buy this racking. Chris, if you're watching, thank you. And we're going to have it sort of round there, and round there. So most of this can go on there, but we've still got to dig that out and concrete it yet. And then it'll give us this yard back. That's when we get time. Oh, we had a little burn pile. We've done that this morning actually. Got rid of a few crappy pallets and stuff. In fact, there were a couple more over there we could have put on, but there you go. Obviously, all this will get dug out and concreted eventually. I'll probably put another spotlight up here and stuff. And then the whole yard, we'll get a spotlight on here. And then the whole yard will be fandabidoza. It's all pretty private now, so we've got a fence. Room up built in a day. It's one of those, you've got to leave bits and bats to do, but even, to be honest, concrete this bit, so we don't mind this bit. We keep all this, like, civil stuff over here, toilet. You know, obviously we've got us gates, but when we get us racking, we'll sort us gates out a bit better. Obviously we've spared IBC, which will go over there. We'll just keep a little scrap pile here, that is it. We're deciding what we're doing with them, because that would offer that lengthweight job. And the railings for them are up there. The structural engineer come back with his findings, and we've got massive holes now, and even the thickness, all them posts now no good. Yeah, fun and games. Very much post mix. I'm going to get 4 ordered for first day we come back off the holidays, I think. I've a full bag of logs. Better get them covered up. These are both for here and for home. Yeah, I spoke to Jamie on the way back. They've done 1 or 2 at gates and 1 more to do. I enjoyed that roundup of the yard. Thought I'd do that. Well, it's quiet here and I'm by myself. I'm just going to get on now and do my quotes, stuff like that, before lads come back. So yeah, I shall see you soon.
Good afternoon. We're over at a school we did previous. We did all this boat up here at school. Gate up there in corner and return around there. They were building all this prefab. Looks really well. I wish I had one of them in garden. They've called us back school, front edge of an estate here, and they're having a lot of trouble with kids getting in and people trying to nick stuff. It's actually cut fruit fence here. I think caretakers repaired it with a piece of grill. It looks like a piece of a grill off back of a fridge. So yeah, we're just getting plenty of clips and bolts in these. We've got to notch out for a lock, round drop bolt. We've got to fall on a rib these where they sit as well, you know, so you can fix to your style. So if we're landing one of these, it's a nightmare. So we're just going to sand it up and give it a paint, and then we've got a couple more to do. So that's about it for today, and then back to the yard.
Very busy on site today. Even Lloyd's here now, changing cameras and lights, I think. PIRs on. Good morning. New lights working. What Lloyd were doing yesterday, I just thought, oh my god, see how it came on then. I don't know how much of a video I did yesterday, but it's why I had these new PIRs in it, and literally I always struggle when it started like this to see it lock. And as I got right to the gate, it came on, so it was perfect. And then it goes off, look, which is good. And then come near this one, that one comes on anyway, but then that one comes on. So that's fantastic. It was struggling yesterday to get these ones working. We've got one there to go, and they haven't done it yet, but Carl put a post there, look, and we're going to have one there, and then eventually we will have one over there and one over there, but just so it covers, should come back on. Lads are going to carry on doing a bit of a roof over there today, just so it's under cover there, and we were just going to have it like shelving storage, but latest sort of idea is having a bit of a works gym round there. I don't know, we'll see about that. There's a lot of work to get it to that, so we'll see. But anyway, I shall get opened up now, get the fire on and get a brew on the go. A bit busy here this morning, we've got a full team here. Lads brought this back from the school yesterday. School wanted rid of it, so the lads said, oh, we'll have it. So we're going to put it there, and then there's logs, obviously for cabin. Then me and Carl take a few. Can be stored there. We'll probably take door off so air circulates. But we're just going to get that off now on a pallet. Then we're going to get a mix on go and just cement along the bottom of there, concrete. Because what's happening is water's going under it and coming out of the side. And we'll put a little bead there as well. Dean and Lloyd are getting cameras up and lights and stuff like that. I'm going over to Leeds shortly. It's like a railhead, I think, that I'm going to see. It wants fencing, some palisade. So I've got to get donned in all orange IVs, orange pants and boots and everything. So yeah, and then not these gates here, but we're thinking of utilising one of our stock gates here and putting it there, which is 2.8 metres in between. So we might just clad it. Rare thing, look. Jamie working. It's a rare thing. Catching a McCullough in the wild working.
Finally got this in a day in workshop. I'm just starting the Weatherby job. We're basically making two big palisade gate leaves to fit some existing posts. But they've been over and measured the lugs, locations, big mooches these, so we thought let's not disturb them. So we're just going to hang on them existing posts, so you need to get some of that steel cut up. We've got all sorts going on. Got Lloyd here now, he's about to start putting his electrics in. Lights. Old Benjamin's starting to take this lean-to down. That's coming down and this roof's carrying on that way. I'm on there. So Ben loves the jobs we all hate, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Drive off it.
The steel on the cutting, cut us uprights there. That's how wide as gates. I've never actually made gates this big before. Just shy of 4 metres a leaf. Hopefully we can get them in. 3 down, 1 to go. So our first leaf's all tacked together. I can now use that as a bench. Everything's cut ready for the second one. So that's my big stencil. Burning the midnight oils, it's getting dark. And he's just cutting some rails ready for other leaf.
Just over in Leeds here, all network rail lads behind me. Basically, that's all from that existing palisades coming down, because it's all falling down. You can see it's coming away from existing foundations, worse up there. It's a bit wobbly. There's 40 metres and it's either 1.8 or 2.4 high palisade. Carl's getting running. We'll get his gates, he's made straight on it. We've got one ready, I think. Few adjustments in the yard. Couple of little posts in here. No, more than a little, but we're just going to extend his roof round here. We're thinking of having a bit of a gym area. I think we might put a bit of a step there, so otherwise I've dug a little bit out. You don't dig too much out. We can't be bothered with that. So we'll just either put a step there or a step across there. Probably across here, because we'll still use that bit to store stuff. And Carl's steel rack's gonna go along there. Better make sure that's plumb baggy. Or she'll have Carl shouted at you. Oh, that's a bad sight, is that, Lloyd? Yeah, Carl's already gone. So he's going to York. And we're all done. Barrier's getting installed Tuesday, I think. We've already got a temporary gutter from an existing roof that we've done into this IBC here just to catch stuff over the weekend until we get his actual gutter all along here, and we'll sort that. Good day in the yard. I'm going to have another day Monday, or Carl is actually in it myself, and I'm meeting in there tomorrow, Tuesday. Got a little job in Leeds to do, a little bolt down that Baggy and Jamie will go do, and Ben and Carl will fit this barrier that I'm on about here on van. So it's another week done. It's gone quick this week, and it's because we're all on the winding down week to Christmas. Obviously Friday afternoon now. We're all going to finish actually today, but the lads want to do a couple of days next week, so we're in Monday, half a day Tuesday, and then we're going to go for the drink, take them for a drink. So yeah, it's another week done. We've got a few jobs out where smaller jobs that have been put on back burner when you're doing your big ones. Got all them done, and obviously cracking on with yard bits as well. So yeah, if you like what we do, give us a thumbs up, comment down below, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.